See the uniqueness of this circuit, that we have now a feedback to the positive terminal, which I said in the previous class, never do this mistake of it. But in this particular case, if you do it, very interesting things happen. Okay? This is sometimes known as the control current source. Which is VCVS, VCCS. Two voltages control the current here. So it's a voltage current control current source. And let's analyze this. Let's find out VOC. For finding Thevenin equivalent, we should find VOC. So you open circuit this voltage will be VOC. So this terminal sits at VOC, and this also will set at VOC, assuming ideal op amp. So what is the expression you have now? V0, if you call this terminal V0, VOC minus V1 by R1 is equal to VOC minus V0 by R2. So no current is flowing into this. So this current must be, at this node, only about two currents are flowing. The second equation is at this node. Then eliminate VOC minus V0 from this expression. So you get VOC minus V1 by R1 is equal to, this is VOC minus R2 minus V2 right? VOC from here is equal to R2 by R1 into this, and VOC from this is equal to R4 by R3 into this. So both are equal. So this should be equal to this. Let me call R1 by R2 as alpha to simplify. So this expression becomes okay. So VOC becomes equal to VOC is equal to Erase this. So this is one expression we get for the open circuit voltage between these two terminals is given by this expression. Okay.
Beta minus alpha.
Something wrong?
The denominator.
Beta minus alpha.
Alpha minus beta.
Beta minus
Sorry.
beta minus
Beta minus alpha.
Sir, it's denominator to be beta minus alpha.
Beta minus alpha. Okay, okay. Okay. So to find the Thevenin equivalent, what do we have to find out? Open circuit voltage and short circuit current. So what is the short circuit current? The current flowing through this by short circuiting this. If I short circuit this terminal, this sits at 0. This also sits at 0. Okay. Now the short circuit current is current coming through this and current coming through this. Right. So current coming through this ISC will be equal to V1 divided by V2 divided by R3. One current. The second current is V0 by R4. These two currents will add on to giving you ISC. So this is equal to plus only thing now I don't know what is V0 to get my ISC. That we can write another expression here. V1 by R1 is equal to second node equation. At this point, this current adding on to be equal to 0. So from here V0 is equal to right? So what if V4 here? So this is equal to V2 by R3 minus so if I take this out as R4 into V2 into R4 by R3 minus V1 into R2 by R1 which is equal to R4 into V2 by beta minus V1 by alpha. So what is my ISC?
One by R.
should, in the common thing, it should be 1 by R1.
R1 by R2 is alpha.
When you're taking R4 common, it should be 1 by R4 is common.
1 by R4. Okay. Nani? 1 by R4, you're right. So it should be 1 by R4, correct. Voltage is by resistance, so it should be. Okay. So we've done the maximum work. Now answers are very straightforward.